Webmo is what it is today because of Govind and his vision. Govind's ability to overcome biggest of challenges with grace reflects true leadership.
One of the biggest challenges was how do you make payments online? Because at that time, mostly it was cash and checks. And we realized that here was an opportunity for us to do something, create some technology that didn't exist before, which was intended to facilitate e-commerce payments. That's how we got started.
When I came in 10 years ago, we were just 60 of us. Today we are 600. From one country to over 20 countries. From just a few products to a full platform suite and services.
I think the DNA and culture of this organization has not changed. I attribute that to the founders of this company.
At Webmo, we process more than 80% of e-commerce card payments in India.
Innovation is at the heart of everything we do.
Every day, our servers process millions of transactions that give customers a convenient and a secure way to make their payments. A lot of technology is coming together to make this happen.
We have smart solutions to a problem, and we have built scalable models around it.
Banks have always been in the forefront of payments, and we have stuck to that, adhered to that, and built confidence with over 100 banks in India and overseas.
Whenever I see the brand PayZapp out in the field or in a movie hall, it gives me immense pride. What gives me goosebumps is when I see people accepting it and using it.
Webmo gives us the platform to learn, to lead, and to innovate.
We've survived, we've prevailed, we've grown, and it's all about people. The people that we put together, the teams, and everyone's worked together. Everyone has helped build the company along the way.
Our products and services define what we are.
But it's our people who define who we are.
People here are smart, innovative,
They are humble and they are special.
At the end, it's all about people.
The coolest thing about Webmo is that you get to do a PhD in payments.
Colorful office and the domain experts that work here.
Badminton League.
Webmo Premier League, I would say. Cricket.
Taking initiatives and freedom to do whatever I want to do and how I want to do it.
At Webmo, we do actually have the ability to make more impact on people in a year's time than many others do in their lifetime.
Webmo has become a bigger, larger, and a better place to work.
I think like we today proudly say that we control e-commerce in India. We are very, very well set to within the next 5 years be a dominant player in the global e-commerce scene.
At Webmo, the opportunities are endless.
It's a long journey and we are not stopping.
Every successful transaction we facilitate, we make happen, will make somebody's life better.
Welcome to Webmo.
Welcome to Webmo. Welcome to Webmo.
Welcome to Webmo.
Welcome to Webmo.